AdSense, monetizing your online presence. In today's digital age, the internet has become a bustling marketplace where content creators and website owners have found innovative ways to turn their passion into profit. One such avenue that has gained widespread popularity is Google AdSense, a program that has revolutionized the way websites and blogs can generate revenue through advertising. In this video, we delve into the details of Google AdSense, exploring how it works, its benefits, and how you can leverage it to monetize your online presence. Understanding Google AdSense, a brief overview. Google AdSense is an advertising program that enables website owners and bloggers to display targeted ads on their platforms and earn money when visitors interact with these ads, typically by clicking on them. This ingenious program bridges the gap between content creators and advertisers, allowing both parties to benefit from a symbiotic relationship. Qualifications and entry into the program. To participate in the Google AdSense program, a website or blog needs to meet certain criteria. Quality content and a substantial amount of traffic are two vital components that Google considers when evaluating eligibility. This emphasizes the importance of creating valuable and engaging content that attracts an audience. After all, the more eyes on your content, the greater the potential for ad clicks and earnings. Signing up for Google AdSense is remarkably easy and, more importantly, free. Once your application is approved, you gain access to a vast array of advertising options that can be tailored to suit your website's niche and target audience. The program's user-friendly interface allows you to seamlessly integrate ads into your site without disrupting the user experience. Customization, making ads work for you. One of the most appealing aspects of Google AdSense is the flexibility it offers in terms of ad customization. You have the power to choose the types of ads that align with your content and resonate with your audience. Whether your website revolves around fashion, technology, lifestyle, or any other topic, there are ads designed to complement your platform seamlessly. Moreover, customization extends beyond ad types. You can also control the look and placement of the ads on your site, ensuring they blend harmoniously with your design and layout. This strategic customization enhances the user experience and increases the likelihood of ad engagement. Earning potential. How does Google AdSense pay? The financial aspect of Google AdSense is undoubtedly a driving force behind its popularity. The program operates on a pay-per-click (PPC) model, meaning you earn money every time a visitor clicks on an ad displayed on your site. The amount you earn per click can vary widely and is influenced by factors such as the advertiser's bid and the relevance of the ad to your website's content. It's important to note that the topic of your website also plays a role in determining the payout. Niche topics that have a higher demand for advertising tend to command higher click rates. This dynamic rewards content creators who focus on specific areas of interest. Conclusion: empowering content creators. In a digital landscape brimming with opportunities, Google AdSense stands out as a dynamic platform that empowers content creators and website owners to monetize their online presence. By displaying targeted ads and earning revenue through clicks, participants in the program can turn their passion into a lucrative endeavor. This symbiotic relationship between advertisers and content creators underscores the transformative potential of the internet, where quality content and strategic advertising converge to create a win-win situation. As you embark on your journey to monetize your website or blog, remember that success with Google AdSense requires dedication, quality content, and a keen understanding of your audience. By aligning your efforts with the principles of this program, you can unlock new avenues of income and forge a path towards financial independence in the digital realm.